It's always a good time to make some improvements to your home when the sun starts to shine. What better place to start than by refreshing the paintwork on your fence? Today, we'll show you how to repaint your picket fence with Dulux Weathshield. Now that you're inspired, the fun part starts. Choosing a colour from the Dulux range. You will find help in choosing your colour online or in your local store. To repaint your picket fence, you will need Dulux Weathshield in your chosen sheen and colour, a drop sheet, a flat paddle paint stirrer, a wide paint brush, a 10 to 12mm nap roller and tray, medium grit sandpaper, a damp cloth, and a bucket for cleaning. Before you start painting, prepare your fence by removing any bikes, cars or plants that are too close to it and brush away any dirt. Then you can lay down your drop sheet. Now it's time to sand your picket fence in final preparation for painting. It is important to test if the paintwork is in good condition by cutting a small X through the existing paint with a sharp blade. Press cellulose tape firmly across the cut and then rip off the tape. If the paint comes off, it is unsound and should be removed. If the surface is sound, finish with a light but thorough sand. Make sure to sand back any small areas where the paint is peeled or cracked, and to fill and spot prime any larger holes and defects. Once you've sanded your picket fence, you can start painting with Dulux Weathshield straight away, as it is self-priming on most surfaces. Today, we're painting in Dulux Weathshield Low Sheen Gilt Grey. Remember, Dulux guarantees that Dulux Weathshield will not blister, flake or peel for as long as you live in your home. Firstly, open and stir your paint thoroughly before loading your paintbrush. To make painting your picket fence a breeze, start by painting the board that runs along the bottom of your fence with your paintbrush. Be careful not to pick up any dirt from the ground. Then, paint in the valleys where your roller can't reach. Once you've painted all three sides of the valley with an even coat, you can use a roller in a vertical up and down motion to paint the vertical panels. After you've finished applying the first coat, wait 2 hours before recoating. Once dry, follow the same process for a second coat. A third coat will need to be applied if the surface is bare timber. Dulux Weathshield contains MaxiFlex stretch technology. This gives your picket fence a tough, flexible finish for long life protection from all weather conditions. That's it. It's that easy to repaint your picket fence using Dulux Weathshield. Visit the Dulux website for more project ideas and how-to guides.